It has not been fully utilized by all of its partners, fully utilized by all the financial institutions that are partnered with the XRPL. As we just mentioned a quote from Brad, through their acquisitions, majority isn't going through XRP just yet, but their intentions is to move majority of the flows to the XRP Ledger. And once these flows move into the XRP Ledger, that 100x increase becomes 200x, 500x, 1000x from base levels, as these systems are barely turned on yet. And this will result in a much higher amount of XRP being removed from the ecosystem than just 0.75%. We're likely going to see 1%, 5%, 10% eventually, until there's a massive supply impact on the asset. And just down here, another factor that contributes to the price value of XRP is the utility of being a bridge currency, like we just mentioned in the last two documentations. And as you can see here, bridge currency and liquidity reserve for a large ecosystem. Ultimately, the primary driver of XRP's value will be its use within the XRP ecosystem, multiplied by the size and scale of that ecosystem. These are the factors that all calculations around XRP's price, the future valuation of XRP, should keep into consideration, and what I truly believe most calculations are missing out on, which is why they may not be 100% accurate. And this is why presentations, documentation like this are so essential, as they can use the factors that they are not including in their equations, finally do that, so they can have a full big picture illustration that's closer to the truth and closer to reality using the accurate factors. In the last paragraph says, as described previously, XRP can be used as a bridge currency for facilitating cross-asset transactions, both currency to currency or currency to asset transactions. Having studied the network, we believe that currency bridging is more significant than many skeptics believe, but we acknowledge that the long-term value of bridging is hard to estimate. If XRP is widely adopted in the XRP ecosystem for bridging purposes, it is easy to imagine investors maintaining resting balances of XRP to facilitate this liquidity. This use would provide XRP with significant in-ecosystem monetary premium. So just basically discussing, once XRP begins to truly fulfill its role as a bridge currency within the XRP ecosystem and globally across digitized fiat currencies, that's truly going to be another game-changing inflection point for the XRP's price, as it will bring a value to the asset that currently is not in existence. And as we can see here, there's even a comment that the value of a bridging currency, the value of a currency that connects all fiat currencies, will be hard to estimate. This is, again, one of the reasons why it's slightly futile to try to guess the price, because it will be hard to guess the valuable price that XRP will eventually ultimately end at.